Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a South Bend 9-inch Model A. It has a 3.5 foot bed, which makes it 22 inches between centers. It has a quick change gearbox. Work lamp. Chuck guard. Comes with a 5-inch 3-jaw self-centering chuck that's screwed onto a 1.5-inch 8 spindle thread. The back gears are in good condition, no chipped or broken teeth. The spindle hole is 3/4 of an inch. Belt tension. Forward and reverse. It is got a 1/2 horsepower single phase motor. It's currently wired for 115 volts. It has the large dials. Compound does have some nicks in it. There's the ways under the chuck. It has a Morse taper 2 tailstock. Comes with a 3/8 drill chuck. I do have the thread dial, which more and more often they seem to be missing. 8-inch faceplate. And I just have a right and left tool holder. Another compartment for storage over here. Here's the half nuts. Power feed on the longitudinal axis. Cross feed. Thanks for looking.